Messerli, founder and managing director of Cultural Outreach, and here interviewing senior loan officer from Homestreet, Amy Lee. Amy, thank you so much for being on the call.
Well, thanks for having me.
So Amy's going to share some of her insights into being successful in this industry, and particularly some of the cultural nuances in the Asian American market. So my first question, do you think that there are any cultural nuances either working with the Vietnamese American population or Asian American population that lenders or realtors should be aware of?
Yes. Buying, I think it's a cultural thing for Asians to keep cash at home, and having to educate them not to keep cash at home. Number one is a safety thing, I think also, but they're just not really trustworthy of banks just because of past experiences where they did have money in the bank, and the government just took that away just in an instant, and they're having it in their possession they think is safer. So when buying a house, all of a sudden, where did this $40,000 deposit come from? Oh, we had it at home and we didn't think it was a problem. So ARIA has been around to educate home buyers on what it takes to buy a house and what's required, and educating communities and realtors to really know and understand the Asian American housing market too.
Great. Well, thank you so much. Is there anything else that you think that lenders or realtors should be aware of in working with the Asian American community?
There's a lot. Off the top of my head, I really think it is important to know the needs, and not just, they're going to buy a house to live in, but know their needs. Like, do they have extended family? Very common for grandparents, multi-generational families to actually live together. So understanding that part does really help, and knowing what school education is always a big priority for Asian Americans buying homes too. So the school district is important. So I think that those are pretty important to know and understand in your local neighborhood.
Mm-hmm. Great. Well, thank you so much, Amy, for being on the call. I think your insights were very helpful, and really appreciate you sharing your story.
Thank you.